camels, whales, Quasimodo. These are just a few of the things where humps look right.
Yeah, like Fergie and the Black Eyed Peas.
Exactly like them. Humps belong on those things, but humps do not belong on your wall. But anytime you're left patching a large hole in your wall, chances are you're faced with the probable scenario of having a patch that looks like a hump. So how do you get rid of those humps? Well, the answer is to fan out your compound. It's quite simple actually, and that's why we're going to demonstrate using tinted mud so you can fully understand. The first coat, done in yellow here, all you're trying to do on the first coat is to bury that edge of the patch. Now the next coat, the blue coat here, will be done with a slightly wider knife, like a 6 or an 8-inch knife, and on this coat you're beginning to spread the compound further away from the patch, thus minimizing the hump. Now in a lot of cases that will be plenty, but to demonstrate how to eliminate even further, we've gone ahead and mixed our tints to create this green color, and we fanned it out using a 10 or a 12-inch knife or trowel to really illustrate how if you really want that hump to disappear, just spread the compound out even further. The further you go, the less noticeable that hump will be. Now what you'll notice is on the last round of mud, we didn't put any mud in the center of the patch because we're not trying to build any height to the patch itself. Now when you're ready to sand, spend most of your time sanding the perimeter to make that blend in, and before you know it, your patch is disappeared. And if you still don't understand the concept of fanning your patches out to make them disappear, well, maybe you should just hang a picture on the wall and be done with it.